The CEO and the Flooded Bridge. Once upon a time, in the tech-driven city of Riverstone, there lived a young and determined CEO named Maya. She had founded her company, Green Future Solutions, to create technology that helped people and the planet. One year, Maya's team developed a groundbreaking invention, a solar-powered water purifier capable of turning floodwaters into clean drinking water. It was a gift of hope for communities affected by natural disasters, and Maya knew it could change the world. Her team was invited to present this invention at the prestigious Global Tech Summit. The summit was the perfect opportunity to secure funding and partnerships, and Maya was determined to make it. But on the morning of the presentation, disaster struck. A powerful storm rolled into the city, flooding streets and submerging the only bridge that led to the summit. "The bridge is impassable," Maya's team cried. "We can't get the prototype to the summit in time." Maya stood by the window, watching the storm rage outside. Her heart was heavy, but she refused to give up. "There has to be a way," she murmured. That night, Maya retreated to her office. She closed her eyes and prayed. "God, I've done all I can. If there's a way forward, show me." And as she prayed, a spark of inspiration lit her mind. "The boat," she thought. "The solar-powered test boat we've been developing. It's small, but it's strong. We can use it to cross the river." The next morning, Maya rallied her team. "We're taking the prototype across the river ourselves," she announced. Her team gasped. "The river is dangerous, Maya. The currents are strong and the rain won't stop." But Maya's faith was unwavering. "We built this company to tackle the impossible," she said. "This is our moment to prove it." So, with great care, they loaded the solar-powered boat with the precious prototype and set out for the riverbank. The journey across the river was treacherous. The currents were swift and debris floated in the muddy water. At one point, the boat struck a submerged log and nearly capsized. "We're going to sink!" one of her team members shouted. But Maya stayed calm. "Hold steady," she said. "We're not turning back now." Through teamwork, faith, and determination, they guided the boat through the storm. As the sun broke through the clouds, they reached the far shore, drenched but triumphant. At the summit, Maya's team arrived just in time to present their invention. The audience watched in awe as they demonstrated how the purifier could transform floodwater into drinking water. When the presentation ended, the room erupted in applause. Investors and humanitarian organizations lined up to support Maya's invention. And the solar purifier became a beacon of hope for communities worldwide. From that day forward, the story of Maya and the flooded bridge spread across Riverstone. People spoke of her courage, her faith, and her refusal to give up when the odds seemed insurmountable. And the elders of the city would always end the tale with these words: "When the path is washed away, faith can build a bridge."
If you've listened to this story to this point, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye. See you next time.